Good evening, students. In the previous class, we had already learned Java and what is object-oriented programming, and what is class and what is objects. Today, we'll discuss principles of object-oriented programming. The principles of object-oriented programming, there are four types of principles. Generally, there are four types of principles. Number one, abstraction. Number two, encapsulation. Number three, inheritance. Number four, polymorphism. Now, we'll discuss the one by one. The first one is abstraction. Abstraction, students, for your abstraction, I want to give you the one of the best example like bike. बाइक में क्या होता है ना स्टूडेंट्स, आप जब बाइक चलाते हो तो उसमें बहुत सारा पार्ट्स रहता है, इंटरनल पार्ट्स एंड आउट एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स। बट आप फ्यू पार्ट्स को यूज करके आप बाइक को चला सकते हो। दैट मीन्स ये नहीं है कि बाइक के अंदर सिर्फ उतना ही पार्ट्स है। तो जो पार्ट को हम चला के कुछ प्रोसेस अपना कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, that process is also called the abstraction. It means a complex program can be converted into the simple interface that is known as the abstraction. Come to the encapsulation. Encapsulation means the inner layout is known as the encapsulation and the outer layout of the system is known as the abstraction. Inner layout means it always carries the characteristics and behavior of an object. Now come to the inheritance. Inheritance means students some characteristics and some properties comes from the parent to child is known as the inheritance. Then come to the polymorphism. Poly means many and morphism means form. Many formation is known as the polymorphism. For a better example, suppose one student इस सपोज एक स्टूडेंट और टीचर के बीच में रिलेशनशिप क्या हो रहा है, टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट्स रिलेशनशिप। दैट्स सेम स्टूडेंट्स, उसके मम्मी पापा के साथ रिलेशनशिप क्या हो रहा है, दैट इज सन एंड और डॉटर एंड मदर एंड फादर रिलेशनशिप। सिमिलरली वही सेम स्टूडेंट्स मान लेते हैं उनके फ्रेंड के साथ, तो दैट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन फ्रेंड। So that one's object can be formation 3 to more, that is known as the polymorphism. So today's topic is principles of object oriented programming. Thank you, students.